Batman acting brand new. Oh! Hey y'all, it's BreeVP. Happy October, happy spooky season, happy pre-Halloween, happy my favorite holiday of the entire year. I told myself happy Halloween. I told myself last year that I would never miss a Halloween again to work. And here I am 1 year later, backing down on my promise to myself, which literally is making me sick as I say that out loud. I'm working again on Halloween this year. And flabbergasted is an understatement. Like, I really long story short, I have to work this year. I'm gonna miss Halloween. But currently right now, I am at the Pensacola State Fair in Florida. And a friend that I met in college named Amelia, she's so perfect. I'm so excited to see her. She lives in Pensacola and always talked about it. Like, ever since I met her, I remember her like telling me she was from Pensacola as if I knew the lore of like this place. Like, I had no idea what Pensacola was. I'm not from Florida. I'm not a Florida resident, so I never even heard of Pensacola, but I always remember her saying like, just comparing everything in Miami to Pensacola. And in my head, like, I always kind of thought like, yeah, it can't be that much different from each other. Like, we're in the same state, like we're still in Florida. Pensacola literally is like, it doesn't feel like Florida. It's like Alabama. It feels like Alabama. It feels like the South. I like Pensacola. I do. And there's a huge likelihood that I'm going to see Amelia while I'm here. So without further ado, today I am going to be unboxing numerous, mainly Playboy costumes that I ordered online. Inspiration for ordering these specific costumes, and again, I ordered these. There's one girl in particular, and I am going to find out what her username is because she literally changed the trajectory of the last 2.5 weeks for me. The amount of time that I have spent in delving into this website. This website is called HalloweenExpress.com. And I saw this video of this girl doing an unboxing and showing like some of these Playboy costumes, being like, this was $8, $9, $14. I was flabbergasted. My jaw was literally on the ground. And I thought, there's no way this is real. I went on the website myself. Oh, it's real. The amount of costumes that this website has, Leg Avenue, Playboy, what else? There's a lot of costumes on there, like vintage ones, that are like really cheap and reasonably priced. And I found a lot of them, and I'm so excited for us to all unbox and see. I've been like looking up previews all day. This is what the pack, like, there was 5 of these packages. I put them under my friend Moser's name because he's like way more of a headhunt. He's been with this company way longer to where like if something's under his name, like they know they're gonna put it to the side. If it's under my name, like some of the people in the office don't know who I am, like could get misplaced, could get whatever. So I've been putting packages to his place. Tell me why I show up. Well, he texts me and says like, oh, did you order did you order a couple of Halloween packages? Yeah, I got a couple boxes here. And I'm thinking, no biggie. I'm thinking, oh, tell me why I walk in the door and in the living room, there is 5 boxes the size of this one stacked on top of each other. I ordered a lot of these costumes twice on accident. First things first, we have this sexy, this one's by Leg Avenue. This is my first Leg Avenue costume. This is called Captain Booty costume. And it's a sexy collection by Leg Avenue. Look at like, this was the most expensive costume out of all of the ones I got. I really started with a bang with this one. Now, everything about it is so perfect. Gartered skirt, striped headscarf. I don't think it comes with the tights, but that's okay. Everything, like, if you catch Sissy and I wearing these at Gasparilla this upcoming January, know you did it. I'm just kidding. Yes, you did, and you know exactly where we got it from. So you can get some too and wear it at Gasparilla as well. This is just making my life easier. Like, I'm not used to having money to where, like, I can just order things and just be like, oh yeah, I ordered it twice, whatever. Me 4 years ago would literally be having a heart attack and be on the ground seizing if I accidentally made a purchase for a website that I couldn't return a product to. Especially with like the amount, I mean, I didn't pay that much. They are, but this one was like 30 bucks. That would have sent me into a coma. I'm so grateful. God is so good. I'm literally so grateful. Okay, next we have the Playboy. This one is called Playboy Rich Witch. Annie would love this. There's a couple witch ones. Oh my gosh, Annie is gonna love this. Annie, if I wear this here in Pensacola, this is yours to wear when we get back to Miami. Maybe we could get matching one. I think this is one of the ones that I only have one for. Ooh. Oh my god, why is this such good quality, y'all? This is insane. These are literal, like, vintage. Oh my gosh, like, this is literally nuts. There's no way. Oh, this is so hot. I hope, like, the sleeve fits around me because the lace, let's see if that's stretchy. I want to try it on so bad. Can I? I think I can. I gotta go switch the laundry. Let me just do a little preview. I'm gonna make a mess of this stuff. Y'all. There is literally like, oh. I think this is gonna be the one that I'm gonna wear. Like if Amelia and I go out or like there's any shindig that takes place in Pensacola, I think this is what. Because Amelia's very much like, when I'm around, I feel like I have to match like the vibe to some degree. Like when I'm out with Amelia and Lyrical, like automatically it gives me a side, like it gives me a time for me to like really just like be creative in my fashion. And I know I should be able to like wear whatever clothes I want everywhere I go, but like they really bring that side out of me. That's not like the pinks and the pastels. They bring out that dark vamp side, like this, like that this is giving. So this is something I would want to wear going out with Amelia. If I, y'all, oh, this is without it being even zipped. This is without like, oh, I don't, oh my gosh, I love it. Yay. This is so hot. And I know it's going to go up like to get zipped. I should wait for for Raven and Harmony to help me out with this part. Yeah. Let me switch my laundry. I'm gonna take a break and then come right back. Bye. In that amount of time, I switched the laundry and I unboxed and put on a waist trainer for the very first time. Y'all, when I tell you I feel like my life just begun, I feel like I feel as though my life has just begun. The second I figured out, it kind of took me a little while to figure it out. The second I was able to get this thing on and I like moved my shirt down, I was like, whoa. It kind of does hurt a little bit, but it keeps my posture up and it, the girls are onto something. The girls are onto something with these. I cannot wait to like force myself to wear this for extended amounts of time. And hopefully, because the bottom of my tummy, I never really had this problem. I've always been very blessed and lucky with like a relatively nice stomach when I'm like in a healthy weight. But the bottom of my tummy has definitely been like just not as toned as it normally is, and so yeah. What a difference a waist trainer makes. I'm like so flabbergasted. I'm not gonna be able to stop staring in the reflection. Okay, for our next costume, this one is This one might be what Sissy and I wear to Warped Tour. Flash forward a month from now, if you see Sissy and I strutting up in these, no you didn't, minus the witch hat. This is another witch. This one's called Hipster Witch. So cute, but it's giving Warped Tour. And it comes with all of the accessories, like the top, like you can't even really tell that it's a costume minus the hat. Oh. Tell me this stretches. Really no joke. It looks like it's just perfect. Every single thing about it, like the cups, like some bralettes like this, they don't separate where your tatas, they don't separate where your, I want to say, they don't separate where your should be. So it'll just be like straight. There won't be a line here that like is supposed to cuff it underneath, but this one has that. So it's like an actual corset. It's like an actual, like the people who made this knew what girls' body types are like. I'm like so shook. I want to just put this on to show you guys like for reference what I'm talking about. Y'all. Okay, this is not tightened or like put on all the way at all. And these have adjustable straps too. Oh, y'all. This is just like a sneak preview at what we're working with. This is definitely going to be our outfit to Warped Tour. Now I know what Paris Hilton must feel like when she puts on like a custom made fit with accessories and everything and the gloves. Y'all, there is no way. He is gonna die. I like know, like these are literally the definition of our big ones. And for $8, what'd it do? And it comes with tights and the little bows at the bottom here. I mean, the skirt is a questionable length. We're gonna have to figure out like what we're gonna put underneath. Cause obviously like, yeah, something's gonna have to be done in that department. But for right now, the base of what we're working with, this is a game changer and I'm so excited. Ah! Thank you so much, Halloween Express. This is literally so perfect. Our next costume, we have this butterfly fantasy by Fun World. This I just thought was so cute. This was giving like the vintage Leg Avenue that like every girl and her mom and her brother want to dress up and wear right now. And it's really what I wanted. Like this style of costume is so back. The dead stock, the Y2K, the vintage, like this is what that was giving to me, and this one was like really cheap. This was like $6. I just want to pause for a second and say like opening all of this stuff up and just having this box full of like vintage, cute Playboy costumes is literally like younger me would look up and be like, that's, I can't imagine like what that must feel like being like that girl and like being able to just order costumes and try them on and being trouncing in her own hotel room. Like I literally love my life. I do. I'm so grateful. Just know y'all, things do get better. Just keep an optimistic attitude even in the hardest of times. You can be chilling in a hotel room, unboxing. And the football one also, it comes with that dress that I just showed. And it also comes with a belt and knee-high socks, Playboy black socks. So cute. Love. So I have 2 football ones, 2 hipster witches, a butterfly, and a rich witch. And I got from Walmart, I just decided to get black fishnets just to have in case, and I got some fake blood. So what I'm thinking for this weekend, if I do decide to go out and I want to be the rich witch, the other lacy one that I showed you, if I do that and I don't want to wear the hat, I'm just not a hat person. It's kind of hard for me to get behind hats, and like even if I put it on for a photo, I know I'm going to get to an establishment and want to take it off right away. So I was thinking I could turn the rich witch into a vampire and just put like a little bit of blood right there and like maybe a tiny bit here and whatever. I think that could be really cute. It's rare that with my Halloween costumes I go scary, and I'm such a scary girl and I love horror movies. So the fact that I haven't, I just like kind of want to put blood over myself this year. I want to be spooky. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is an absolute honor. I am so appreciative for all of the love that I've received in the past month. Thank you guys so much again. I really am grateful. I hope you all have the best Halloween ever.